Can you eat your own plate? This man has made something which we can use and eat or serve. इंडिया में खाना खिलाने का कल्चर बहुत ही वाइड है. पुनीत ने सिर्फ व्हीट और गुड़ मिक्स करके ऐसे सिंगल यूज कटलरी डिजाइन किए जिन्हें आप खा सकते हैं. That's right, you can eat them. But if in a case you don't wanna eat them, then just keep it outside to serve it to the street animals. ताकि उनका पेट भर जाए without even harming them with the plastic. पुनीत अभी तक 5 types of single use products मैन्युफैक्चर कर रहे हैं. Plates, spoons, glasses, bowls and takeaway containers. These products do not contain any color, preservatives, have a shelf life of 6 months and do not melt for 5 hours of use. I think these products should immediately replace plastic and will never increase landfill because plastic takes around 500 years to decompose.